Hello and welcome back to Memory at Lightning Speed with a permanent memory sphere and power recall. Memory Course 2, Episode 1, Session 33, Sets of Information, #2. A newspaper article analyzed a report about the things people like least about their working life and how they would go about making changes if they could. It broke down in the moans and wishes into 2 lists of 10 key points, just as you could have done if you were presented with the entire research document, right? To practice illustrating ideas picked out of larger text and fixing the images into a route, trying to come up with a picture to represent each of the 10 wishes, if you arrange them around one of your mental frameworks. Top 10 wishes. 1. Work shorter hours. 2. Change company culture. 3. Work flexible hours. 4. Avoid commuting. 5. Work from home. 6. Change job. 7. Have more staff. 8. Earn more. 9. Retire. And finally, 10. Have less stress. Yeah! All 10 items recited in the right order. So now you have a goal with your route. Next comes session 34, learning to learn. You have a test, an exam approaching. Your emotions are in turmoil as you realize you have just so much to remember. Your mind appears blank as you spin into overwhelm. There's an important presentation looming. You feel stressed and anxious, convinced you forget everything and make a fool of yourself. The radio interview, which will give you the opportunity to talk about your brand or company and its work, is tomorrow. But how will you remember your name, let alone got your message across? Such responses are typical. We've all felt that sinking feeling. Somehow it seems that whatever it was we did, how now it has been lost in the remote, secluded folds and crevices in our brain. Here's the thing. It doesn't have to be that way. If you begin to put the following strategy into practice and do the necessary preparation, you are putting yourself in the best possible setting to meet with success. It's good to know that by regularly using these tips and techniques, you can enhance your ability to learn, remember with ease, get these answers right, interview with high impact, and make memorable presentations without reading from a plethora of notes. And you could check out my transcript on YouTube and also read the subtitles. I look forward to seeing you in the next session. Thank you for watching and listening. If you like the video, share it with others as you see fit. Now join my library. There are more than 260 videos for you to watch and learn from. I see you in the course. Next, click on Video68U. It's for you. Watch now and learn more. See you there. Ciao for now. Later.